Mastering English Phrases, Center Stage. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, center stage. Understanding this phrase can add depth and flair to your English conversations. So, let's dive in and discover the various nuances of center stage. The phrase, center stage, originates from the world of theater and performance arts. Literally, it refers to the central part of a stage in a theater. This is typically the most prominent position where an actor, dancer, or performer stands to be the main focus of the audience's attention. In everyday English, center stage is often used figuratively. When someone or something takes center stage, it means they are the main focus or point of interest in a particular situation or discussion. It's not just about physical location, it's about importance and attention. Let's see some examples to understand how center stage is used in different contexts. 1. In a meeting. During the team meeting, the new project took center stage. 2. In news. The environmental issues have taken center stage in recent political debates. 3. Personal scenario. At the family reunion, Grandma's stories took center stage. Be careful not to confuse center stage with being literally in the center of a stage. It's a metaphorical expression. Also, remember, it's used to highlight importance, not just physical presence. Center stage is a versatile and expressive phrase in English, adding richness to both formal and informal conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel more confident using center stage in your English communications. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.